Yes, one fine day I was debugging in VBE Editor and I happened to dislocate this one of the local's windows out of its place like this, and I couldn't figure it out as to how would I get it back in its position. No matter how many ways I've tried reading web articles to find out how to do this, but one thing that I found in all the web articles is that keep moving the window around the VB editor, but that didn't work for me. One fine day, I was just moving the one of the windows around the VBE editor, but when I took it to the extreme right corner, it kind of showed me a behavior that it is going to fit in there, and I just left it there. Bingo! Yes, it found its place. It is back in its position, as you can see here. So it is just a trick. Uh, just push the window towards the extreme right corner of the VBE, and you'll find that uh, it will get resized as if it is going to fit in that place. So at that point of time, you just leave it there, drop it there, and that's how you can position back in its place. So so that's the trick about it. So hope you have understood what I'm trying to say here. Uh, so one thing that you'll have to understand here is that this is all about docking the windows, and to set the docking options, you'll have to go into option tools options, and you'll have to go into the docking tab here and check all the buttons here for whichever windows you want this dockable option to be set to. Okay, so then click OK, and that is how you can set the dockable option. And say for example that we uncheck the docking options for all the windows that which are available on my VB editor. What will happen? See, this is what will happen, and you cannot understand as to which window is what. You may not even recognize this window as the VBE editor in totality. So that is a mess. So to properly arrange this, you'll have to check the dockable option for whichever windows that you're using. Okay, so that is all about the video today. Hope this was informative to you. uh, Thank you for watching.